What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
Hey girlfriends and pillow powder junkies, what's up and welcome back to the channel. It's Elaina and it is my birthday, and so, and as a true queen in true queen fashion, I have my crown on. So yes, you will see a couple of videos with me with my crown on because I'm celebrating me. Y'all can celebrate with me. So anyway, in today's video we're going to be going over the, what is this, the June Ipsy bag in July. I know, y'all know how the Ipsy bag goes with me. Anyway, we're going to be going over that today to see what I got. But before we do, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Elaina and I normally do hair product reviews. I'm learning to care for my high porosity, naturally colored, well, not natural, and I have color treated hair. So I'm learning to care for that just a little bit better while I'm reviewing products in the process. Also, I have started a garden this spring and I'm sharing my gardening adventures with you all as I'm learning to like garden, and I'm growing all these vegetables and fruits and stuff, and it's just so exciting. So I'm sharing that all with you. If that's stuff that you're interested in, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you over here on my channel, and hopefully you'll have a lot of fun over here. So now that we've got that all out the way, let's get started into this Ipsy bag. Okay, so June's Ipsy bag is one of my favorite colors, purple. So it's purple and black. It's this cute bag with these black hearts on it. You've got the Ipsy tag here, it just says Ipsy on it. And yeah, I think it's super cute. This is definitely one of my favorite bags so far. Let's see what's inside. So of course we have the insert. Okay, this month it says do you. Bold moves only. This month, amp up everything that makes you happy. Glitter liners, rainbow accents, and celebrate the beauty that comes from being you. Get into this month's theme at, I'll leave the link down below to get to Ipsy, okay? All right, so in my bag this month, or for June, I should say, I have a, what is this? A rescue mask, a body lotion, looks like another color corrector with broad spectrum SPF 25. I have an illuminating primer and a hydrating conditioner. So let's see what they all are. Let me just give you a sneak peek here. Okay, and so we're gonna go ahead and jump in. So this is not in the same order as what you saw in the paper. I'm just grabbing out of the bag. So the first item I got is this, what is this? Twisted Sister Urban Therapy Twisted Sister presents Innate Hair Collection Instant Hydrating Conditioner infused with mineral rich Hawaiian deep sea water, bamboo and coconut oil, and scented with lemongrass. And that's what it looks like. Okay, yeah, so we'll have to check this out and see how this works. Y'all know I'm all for hair products. All right, next up we have this Fab Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask, Soothe and De-Stress, First Aid Beauty. So y'all know I'm always down for a good mask or cleanser, so we'll definitely try that out. Next we have the Pink Guava Plus Primer. This is an oil-free illuminating primer. Cool. Let's see, luminosity in a tube. Our oil-free primer is formulated with damask rose, hydrosol, and pink guava extract to help instantly prep skin, helping to extend the length of wear of your foundation as well as infuse your complexion with light and radiance. Okay, this is what it is. So, there's that. So let me see if I can open it. check that out. And then we have the Skylar Hydrating Body Lotion with Hyaluronic Acid. I guess it's in the scent Capri, which is sparkling, citrusy, and sweet. That's what that looks like. Let's see if it smells. Oh, it's got a seal on it, so can't smell it just yet. All right, and then the last item, I dropped it. The last item we have here is the CC Creme High Definition Radiance Face Cream Skin Perfector Broad Spectrum SPF 25 Sunscreen in Caramel. And let's open this up. Okay. And I would have liked to have tried this today. The next time I put on some makeup, I think I'm gonna try this one out and see how this works out. Face Skin High Definition Radiance Face Cream Skin Perfector with SPF 25 sunscreen. Curious to see how that's gonna work. So yeah. Well, you guys, that is it. That's all that was in the bag. I love that it's pink inside. Got two of my favorite colors going on with this month's bag. Super exciting. So if you guys are interested in getting your own Ipsy bag, I will definitely leave the link down below. Just check the description box. It's usually in all my videos, along with some other links that you might like, so check those out as well. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. I do hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. It helps other people find me over here on this side of the world. It helps, helps me with the YouTube algorithm as well. So do your girl a favor and hit the like button for me. And yeah, guys, I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Love you guys so much. Bye.
You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that. You show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking.